Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crop images in Gimp. So let's have a look now. Open Gimp on your computer. Then go to the File menu and select Open to load the image you want to crop into Gimp. In the Toolbox panel, select the Crop tool. You can also access it by pressing the C key as a shortcut. Click and drag your mouse over the image to create a crop selection. Adjust the selection by clicking and dragging the handles at the corners or edges of the selection box. Once you have selected the area to crop, press the Enter key on your keyboard or double-click inside the selection box to apply the crop. The image will be cropped based on your selection. That's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.